Assalamualaikum students, welcome to ICT class. Today we will discuss on safe use of ICT chapter 3. So let's get started. The safe use of ICT. Everyone needs to be very careful about electric connection. We know desktop computers always need electric connection, but laptop computers need electric connection only during the time of charging the battery. Do you can feel the electricity? We can feel the electricity when its voltage is more than 50 volts. Okay. Below 50 we cannot feel the electricity. We can feel electricity when its voltage is more than 50 volts, and in our country the voltage of electricity flow is 220 volts. So we will feel a strong electric shock if the electric wire touches our body in any way. And in our body, signals are sent, small signals are sent from our body to make our heartbeat or to move hands and legs. But when a person gets an electric shock, huge electricity flows through his or her body, and small signals sent from the brain gets suppressed by this strong electric flow. And what happens? That person cannot move his hands, legs, and becomes electrocuted, and the heartbeat may stop if it lasts for a long time. So here look at the boy, he touches an electric wire, but unfortunately the wire was faulty and he got an electric shock. So electric connection should never be neglected. Okay, we have to be careful about the electric connection. So let's take a look on this video.
I like to have fun. Na 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 na. Wow.
Okay, then proper electric connection. We need to use the right socket and right plug in using electric connection. Look at this. This is faulty electric connection, and it may occur many accident like this, and this is proper electric connection. Okay. And then fan needs to set over the processor to keep it cool. This is processor fan. The processor of a computer may sometimes become very hot, and IC of the motherboard, IC means some integrated circuits of the motherboard may also become hot. So the inside temperature of a computer may be much higher than the outside temperature. So fans are set in every computer to push out the hot air from the computer. This fan pulls in air from outside and pushes out hot air from inside. Okay. And then proper airflow inside the computer must be ensured. When you use a computer, find the passages for inlet and outlet of airflow. You need to ensure that airflow is never blocked. You will be able to use your computer for a long time if you remain careful about this matter. Okay. Airflow inside the computer must be ensured. Okay, and then how to maintain your ICT instruments. We have many ICT instruments, we have to maintain it properly. First one is cleaning the monitor. But what happened at present, most of the computer monitors are LCD or LED monitors, and it is better if you don't attempt to clean them. its surface is not made of glass, and so there may be scratches if you try to clean them, and the pixels inside the monitor may be damaged if you rub during the cleaning. But you can clean the CRT monitor with a soft cotton cloth, and you can put a little glass cleaner on the cloth to clean. Okay. Then water liquid, it is very important. It's better not to keep water or any type of drinking drinks near a computer while using it. Why? Because if the water or any liquid suddenly falls on your computer may be damaged. Reason, what is the reason? The reason is water or any other drink is conductive. If it enters into the computer, there may be a short circuit. But if such type of incident happens, what will you do? Just switch off the computer immediately and keep it under a fan for a long time so that the water is evaporated. Okay. And then dust. Look at this, the lots of dust. There is a lot of dust in our country, and the fan of a computer draws in air. So there may be some dust in that air. The computer may become very hot if the airflow gets blocked with dust. So we have to frequently check whether there are dust over that passage. We have to clean the passage if it is dirty. Okay. Okay, then keyboard. Look at this keyboard. This is very dirty and we have to clean it. After cleaning, it's look better, and before it was more dirty. So how can we clean it? Keys can be rubbed with a piece of dry soft cotton cloth, and the surrounding of each key can be cleaned with a cotton bud. And after this, you can make it upside down and give a few mild jerking. Give a jerking, and the keyboard will be fairly clean. Okay. Keyboard is done, and then mouse. Cleaning the mouse. How can you clean the mouse? Is look at this mouse. It is very dirty, and we can clean it by the cotton cloth and cotton bud. But at present, almost all mouses are optical mouses. So it functions. Optical mouses means it functions when light is reflected. Okay, when light is reflected, it functions. So if the lens of a mouse becomes dirty, it may not work properly. So if dust accumulate in the mouse, what we have to do? Detach the mouse from the computer. First one is detach the mouse from the computer, turn it over and clean the dirty spots with a cotton bud, and then rub with a soft cotton clip. That's all for today. Today we discussed about the safe use of ICT and how to maintain your ICT instruments, and next class we will discuss on software maintenance, that is how will we maintain our software. Okay. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.